In this video, in the first part, we are going to explain the PVS-14 structure. The first one is the housing body. The second one is the system part, which includes the controller and battery compartment. And the third part is the eyepiece lens and an image intensifier tube. And AA type of battery is used in this model. And there is a battery cover and a pressure ring. And the smallest part that are you seeing is the scales. And this is the overview of PVS-14 structure. In the second part, we are going to show how to assemble the PVS-14. The first one, take the image intensifier tube and insert it into the housing body like this. And then you see that the crest inside has the image tube limited nail which coincides with the protection. You only put it inside and put the pressure ring on and fasten it. Next, install the eyepiece lens inside. Is it a connecting thread? You just twist it. Like this, twist it, slide it. And next, we are going to install the battery. But before inserting it, we have to install the system part in the housing crest like this. And fasten the small scales. You don't forget to make sure it is fastened securely. Here we can insert the AA battery into the battery compartment with the correct position and close it with the battery cap. The last step is test it in the dark room or low light condition to check the performance.